going to be using 1 pack of hair for my entire head, which is crazy because I have a lot of hair and a big head. We're starting on pre-sectioned hair, so I did all of this off camera on freshly washed, blow-dried hair. So what I went ahead and did my parts and my sections, and at the base of each of these you'll see a braid because this style is a crochet style. During the sectioning process, I used my rat tail comb as well as this Shine and Jam extra hold conditioning gel for just the base of the braid. As you can see here, the rest of my hair is still blown out, no real product on it, which is what you want because you're going to end up adding a moisturizer to the ends of your hair so that it blends with the twisting hair very well. You're going to need, of course, your crochet hook as well as scissors. This is the hair that we're using today. It is the Expression Springy Afro Twist in the length 24 inches. And the reason why I'm able to do this look with just 1 pack of hair is because I'm cutting this in half. So it comes with 3 bundles, and you'll be cutting each of these bundles in half. This is what the hair looks like out of the pack. Like I said, it's 24 inches. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut it in half to get that shoulder length look that I want.
When cutting your hair in half, make sure it's even at the bottom.
Depending on how thick you want these, you're either going to leave this one piece that was cut in half together. It's one piece because you can see this little curl, or you can split it in half if you want it a little thinner. So you cut it in half and then you split it in half if you want this style. This is what it's looking like so far, and I'm loving it. I am going to show y'all how I do the rest of my head. So I can give y'all like a little tutorial, although this is the first time that I'm doing this style and even using this hair. Definitely recommend getting this exact hair. It was less than 10 bucks, which is a steal for a protective style that I'll probably wear for anywhere up to 3 weeks, maybe even more. For this, I've used a bundle and a half. So I'm pretty sure I'll have a lot of hair left over. You want something to moisturize your hair while in this style to actually make sure it is a protective style. So I'm using Miel Organics Twisting Souffle and a little bit of their Curl Smoothie from the same line. And you also want to make sure you're using something that's not going to cause a lot of buildup, just because you're not going to be touching your hair a lot and you don't want super heavy products in your hair. Now, sectioning took the longest. Like, this twisting process is pretty quick and simple. Sectioning took the longest. I didn't have my boyfriend's help this time around, and so I had to do the back by myself in a mirror, and it's looking crazy. So yeah, but the front looks great, which is what really matters. If you want a chunkier twist, you can use more hair or not, split it in half like I do, but I did want like a medium size twist. So, and you're also going to want to stretch it a little bit depending on where you're at in your head, on your head. So because I'm at the bottom here, I don't need to stretch it too much because it'll already fall on my shoulders. But once I get to the top of my head, I'll have to stretch this a little more. So I just stretched it a little bit, pulled it apart, and like I said, it comes pre-stretched, pre-fluffed. So you don't, honestly, you really don't have to do much. And I'm going to twist this end so that it goes on the crochet hook a little easier. So what you're gonna do is take your open crochet hook and feed it right into the bottom of your braid, like the base of your braid. And then you just hook your hair right onto the crochet needle, and now you can close it. You don't close the needle until the hair is on there, okay? And you just pull through. You're only gonna pull half of the hair through, like so, and you want to make sure it's even. So in between, you have your hair and you have the twisting hair. You're going to split your hair so that each section has some of your hair. Okay, so you want to do that to both sides, and you're going to begin to twist. And as you twist, you're going to want to continue to wrap your hair.
I'm just twisting my hair and adding some shining jam as I go, just to help with friction. And I'm going to twist all the way down.
And there you have it.
I honestly don't know what possessed me to start doing my hair around midnight.
I don't have an explanation for you, and you may not get one.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. And I didn't finish until about 6:30 in the morning, y'all. So I pulled an all-nighter doing my hair.
I'm all done, and I still have a whole bundle of hair left, like a whole bundle. So this hairstyle cost me less than $10. I'm liking it so far. It's a nice, easy, light, super lightweight. Like, it feels like there's nothing on my head. It's a super lightweight style, something that should last me a little bit, and I can always just like retouch some areas. That is all, folks. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if there's other content you'd like to see or hairstyles you'd like for me to try. Yeah, I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling cute. Tomorrow I have some content to shoot, so I'm going to do my face and show y'all what that looked like too, because you know, a natural hair, natural face, but I can still get beat. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what that do in this next clip or whatever, but I'm done. Thanks for tuning in.
All right.